How to restore hearing loss fast. Hearing is a vital sense that allows us to connect with the world around us. Losing this ability, even partially, can significantly impact one's quality of life. Today, we will explore how to restore hearing loss quickly by addressing nutritional deficiencies and understanding the underlying causes. By delving into the types of hearing loss, their causes, and the role of specific nutrients, we can outline a comprehensive approach to managing and potentially reversing hearing impairment. Hearing loss can be broadly categorized into three types: conductive, sensorineural, and mixed hearing loss. Conductive hearing loss occurs when sound waves cannot reach the inner ear due to blockages or damage to the outer or middle ear. Sensorineural hearing loss is caused by damage to the inner ear or the auditory nerve, often resulting from aging or exposure to loud noises. Mixed hearing loss is a combination of both conductive and sensorineural components. Understanding the type of hearing loss is crucial for determining the appropriate treatment and nutritional support. Hearing loss can result from a variety of factors, including genetic predispositions, environmental exposures, infections, and chronic health conditions. Among these, viral infections and nutritional deficiencies stand out as significant contributors. Acute infections can cause a dramatic decrease in essential nutrients like zinc and iron, both of which are closely linked to hearing health. Additionally, certain viruses can lead to selenium deficiency, which impacts the immune system and can exacerbate hearing issues. Viral infections such as measles, mumps, and cytomegalovirus have been associated with hearing loss. These infections can lead to inflammation and damage in the ear, resulting in acute and sometimes permanent hearing impairment. For instance, selenium deficiency, which can be caused by viral infections, hampers the conversion of T4 to T3 and weakens T helper cells. These cells are vital for a robust immune response, and their deficiency can leave the auditory system vulnerable to further damage. Diabetes is another significant factor that can lead to hearing impairment. High blood sugar levels can damage the small blood vessels and nerves in the ear, a condition known as diabetic autonomic neuropathy. This type of hearing loss is often linked to a severe deficiency in vitamin B1, thiamine. Thiamine is essential for the proper functioning of the autonomic nervous system. Diabetics are particularly prone to thiamine deficiency, and addressing this through supplementation with benfotiamine, a form of vitamin B1 that can penetrate the myelin sheath, can be beneficial in restoring hearing. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, including hearing. It is particularly important in protecting against autoimmune conditions that can affect hearing, such as autoimmune inner ear disease, lupus, and rheumatoid arthritis. These conditions can cause chronic inflammation and damage to the inner ear structures, leading to hearing impairment. Ensuring adequate levels of vitamin D can help mitigate the risk of these autoimmune conditions and support overall ear health. Potassium is another critical nutrient for hearing health. It helps regulate the fluid in the inner ear, which is necessary for translating sound waves into electrical signals that the brain can interpret. Damage to the small bones in the ear or inadequate potassium levels can result in hearing loss. Therefore, maintaining adequate potassium levels through diet or supplementation is essential for preserving hearing function. Restoring hearing loss quickly involves addressing the root causes, particularly nutritional deficiencies and chronic conditions such as diabetes. By understanding the types of hearing loss and their underlying causes, we can tailor a treatment approach that includes replenishing essential nutrients like zinc, iron, selenium, vitamin B1, vitamin D, and potassium. This holistic strategy not only supports hearing health but also enhances overall well-being, allowing individuals to reconnect with the world around them through the gift of hearing.